Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at a cool little screen capture tool that can pretty much take an image of whatever you're looking at the desktop. So right here you can see here's our full screen image. Let's say we just want to take a picture of this whole entire image right here. So what you can do is you can actually type in your search. You can go to Snip and Sketch. It's an app. So you can click that. You can kind of see it brings up this. You can go to new snip, and then there's also a snip in 3 seconds, snip in 10 seconds. It's kind of like a little camera. So let me show you the 3 seconds. So when you click 3 seconds, it's just going to wait, and then it's going to take a screen capture of it, and you'll see these little these little icons at the top. So you can do a rectangular clip, you can freeform, which pretty much means you can go around it, kind of free select anything, or you can just do the whole entire screen. Let's do the whole entire screen, see what it does. Alright, so you could see that it took a picture of the whole entire desktop that we had here, even the icons, everything. So exactly what I saw, it did take a picture of that. You can actually draw on it now. You can edit all in this app, which is much better than doing the print screen from the past and you were to actually like put it into Microsoft Word or Paint just to edit it for a little bit. That's more of definitely of an old school way to go. You can also crop it here too, so I can pick a selection of it. And you can hit OK, and now I get this, and you can of course save it or share it, copy it. Yep. So also one more cool thing, just say you're watching a video. So, and I'm watching a video, I'm like, oh, this is pretty cool in the video. So just I want to capture what's going on here. You can see obviously there's YouTube stuff here. So let's just capture it. So let's just capture it in the video. So let's say, oh, I want to capture this right now, but I don't want to just click out and do the snipping tool. I want a little bit easier way to go. Well, you can actually do that with the snip and sketch tool. You can actually go here, you hit the settings, and you can actually use right here, it says print screen shortcut. Use the print screen button to open the snipping sketch tool. So you want to click that, and then it's gonna bring up a little menu. You're gonna scroll down a bit. It's gonna say print screen shortcut. So use the print screen button that's on your keyboard, and it'll automatically bring up that. It'll pretty much automatically take an image of what you're looking at. So let me show you an example real quick. So let's just full screen this video right here. And now since we have that enabled, we're actually gonna do that. So now let's say I want to take a picture right here. So I'm gonna click the button. I didn't have to bring up anything else. Now I can just kind of draw what I want to do, or I could do the full screen like we did before, so I can capture this. And you're going to see it says snip save to clipboard. So you would want to click that so it'll be easier to look at. So this is exactly what it saved for me. And now I can hit the save and copy it and everything. But yep, so that's a cool little tool to use. It's very useful, especially if you're using desktop a lot. You want to take some screen captures of like emails or anything YouTube. Maybe you want to make images off of YouTube from characters or from videos or anything. It's pretty useful. It's pretty cool. We do recommend that. I love it personally. It's much better than going into Paint and editing. It's so cool that they actually have a little editing tool. But yep, so anything else, guys, just leave a comment below. Any other tips or any other videos that you want us to do. Please like the video if you did enjoy it or if you found it very helpful. And yeah, please subscribe. We're going to have a lot more content coming. Yep, you guys have a good one. Thanks a lot for watching.